Welcome back to the Technical CAD. In this video, I want to share you something which is very interesting. Have you ever wondered how to work with AutoCAD without having software in our PC or laptop? In this video, I'll show you how to do that. Let's go into the video. I hope you guys are very much familiar with WhatsApp Web. In the same way, Autodesk also planned AutoCAD Web. So let's go into the video and type web.autocad.com. Sorry, I have forgot to connect my system. Yeah, so now reload it. So web.autocad.com. So you have to sign in. So if you don't have any account, so you have to register first and then you have to sign in. So I will sign in. Okay, and here these are all the options we are having, and if you open this one, so you can choose dark theme and light theme. You can go for account details if you want to edit that, edit. And Autodesk Extended Access Program. So all commands and tools in the AutoCAD web app are free for everyone until June 30, 2020. So up to this pandemic we will get this for free. After that we have to buy that. So as soon as you come into this website, you have to select the storage provider. So after selecting the storage provider, you have to import and export the drawings. So I have already added my Google Drive here. So I'm going for new drawing. So just take a sample 01 and let it be in metrics only. So I opt for metrics. Open. So now we got the graphical user interface of AutoCAD. So here are the drawing options are there: annotate, modify. So these are all the limited available options in AutoCAD web. So go for a rectangle. So let's see whether it's working or not. Yeah, it's working fine. Just you can try one circle in center. So here it's not tracking the center point, so for that we can go for OSnap here and just select the center, geometric center. See, now it's showing the center of the geometry. So like this you can select the object snap tracking, and arcs are there, lines, polylines and hatching, so you can go for hatch also. So like this you can select and hatch. And now we have options called properties. If you want to change the properties of these objects, you can change the properties. Otherwise, layers, blocks, xref. So these are the very much limited options we are having, and you can go for settings here. Sorry, you can go for settings here. Otherwise, you can directly go for settings here. So go for settings. In settings, you can use the tracking settings, object snap settings, units. So all the types you can set it here: scientific, decimal, engineering, architectural, fractional, and navigation also you can set standard and reverse, zoom direction. So that is related to mouse scroller button, so you can change. So if you after completion of the drawing you can save it. Thanks for watching video. I hope you understand the video. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. Also don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also press the bell icon so that you can get the latest updates. Thank you.